Hey guys, this is Renee from Crafty Renee Creates, and I'm coming on with a VR for another birthday challenge hosted by MST Creates, and that's MST and then Creates, and it's Tawana, and she is having a birthday challenge, a giveaway, and she is requesting 2 ATC cards, any theme, with your info, and then a birthday card. And the postmark date is January 31st, so the end of it is the 31st of January. So you've got a couple of weeks to get this done if you would like to enter. First prize is $25, and second prize is an ATC notebook, which I think would be fabulous. I do not have one, and so I would love to start an ATC notebook myself. And then depending on the amount of entries, she may have a third prize. So she stated in her IG feed that you can message her on Instagram for her address, and she'll give you her address so that you can mail in your entries. So this is the card that I made for her, just a birthday card. And I used this cupcake, and it's a wood piece, has some dimension, and I got this at Hobby Lobby. It was in my stash. I'm not even sure when I purchased it, but I love these little wood pieces. And so I used that. And then I had this foam balloon sticker also in my stash. Just doesn't belong to any collection. It was just like a Hobby Lobby sticker pack, and it was in there. So I used that. And then this flag is the Scrap Diva flag, and I used the Christmas pennants, and so I used this one with the little flag, and I just used the clear or the plain one so that I could just make my own since it's not Christmas themed, and so I did that. And then I we'll put a sentiment in the inside, and then I'll just write my own little card in there so that she can keep this to use in her stash, or yeah, just whatever she wants to do with it. And then I just have a little sticker in there. And so that's what I used. This paper is the, let's see, this paper is the birthday pattern collection from scrapbook.com. And so I love this pattern paper for birthdays, and so I used this. And then I just used kind of a plain pink. It is on the other side of this pink, and I used one of those for a layer. And then I just used a Stampin' Up! Kind of light teal cardstock paper, which I think it was Pool Party is what this color was. And so, and then let's see, that talks about that card. Then for the 2 ATC cards, I did this little birthday one, and I used a stamp that I got from Allie in my stash a while ago, and this is what it looks like. Sorry for the glare. And I used the cupcake base, and then the cupcake layer, and then the cupcake liner, sorry, I said layer, liner. And then this is kind of like the little piece of cake that you can see between the liner and the frosting, or the whipped cream, yeah, frosting. So I used that piece, and then I used this as well. And then I also used this little bow with the little centerpiece on there. You can see that right there. And yep, I think that was it. So I used this, and again, I got that from Allie. Probably, I have no idea when I got it, but it's been a while in my stash. So I have that. So I used that for this. And then for the HB, for the happy birthday, I just got these, let's see, where are they? These alpha stickers. I hauled them a couple, I don't know, 2 or 3 hauls ago. I got these from Hobby Lobby, Paper Studio, and they're just like little tiles. They're pretty tiny, and they have all different colors. And so I just used the kind of like hotter pink, which is this third one here. And I just used that for the HB here on the little flag. And this little flag, sorry, this little flag was on there as well. I forgot to point that out. It's right, sorry, it's right here. So I used that little flag, and I did it in gold, and then I did the little flag in like teal, and then I used the little letters to put on the little pennant of the flag. So I did that. I have a bad habit. I love dimension, and so it's hard for me not to put dimension on these ATC cards because I understand that they're getting put into a binder or a sleeve. So I apologize for that in advance. I had these little tiny clouds, and they're just a little dimensional, not too bad. And so I used 3 of them just to kind of, you know, just add a little something to there. And so I just put my sticker on the back, and then I did a little ATC card in there. And this ATC card is KS Craft. And so I got this from Amazon a while back. This is the little pocket that the ATC card makes, or the little sleeve. And then on the inside, let's see, I'll take this apart so you can see. I'll have to go through how I store my dies. I know several people have asked me that they'd love to see like what my craft room looks like and how I store stuff. I'm picking up my craft room, getting Christmas out, and getting Valentine's Day in, but I will do a video on how I, what would you call it, catalog all of my dies, because I probably have over 1,000 Stampin' die sets in my craft room. So if I ever wonder if I have a stamp set or a die, I just go to a database called Airtable, and I just, you know, punch it in, and then it'll say, you know, it'll tell me if I have it. And that's how I kind of make my cards as well, or any project. If I'm looking for, like, for instance, a birthday card, and I want to use, you know, a die that has flags, you know, like something like this, all I do is go into the search bar on this Airtable database, and I type in, you know, flags or pennants, and it'll give me all of the names of the stamp sets and all of the dies that I have in my Airtable that have flags or pennants. It's pretty cool. It takes a lot to put it in there. I'm always working on it, but I will do a video and show you guys how I do catalog my dies, because I do have tons of them that I still need to catalog, and so I'll do it as an example. And so anyway, that's how I do that, getting a little bit off track. But this is the KS Craft, and this is your little, actually, ATC card. So you just run that through your die cutting machine. So it comes out with the little sleeve and then the little card. And so this is how I package all of my dies and my stamps. So my dies kind of look like this, and I just kind of write on there or use a little label, or it's more like tape. And I write, you know, who it is and where I got it. And then it usually has a number back here with a sticker, kind of like, I always keep this out because I always know where it's at. But like, for instance, just like my first Christmas stamp that's in my Christmas drawer is this truck. I'm going way off base here, but I just want to share quickly. This is just a Christmas truck. And so this is Christmas X1. And so it's deep red. So I have all of the information in my Airtable for this particular stamp. And so I always know where it's at. I know what the picture is, and I just write just different tags about it, like truck, Christmas, pine, you know, Christmas tree, pine tree. And then whenever I'm looking for it, it'll come up with a Christmas tree pick up. So anyway, that's how I have my stuff cataloged. Christmas is X, and then I don't know. I've got to be up to 150, maybe 200 stamps and dies that are Christmas related. I keep all of my KS Craft and all of my Scrap Diva and all of my Doodlebug separate from these drawers. And again, I'll shoot a video so that you guys can kind of see how I do it. Anyway, this is the KS Craft ATC card, which I absolutely love. If you don't have this, you should pick it up. I know she came out with a new one, and it's in my cart, but I really love this one. So anyway, that's what I used. And okay, so then on the ATC card, sorry for ranting there. I just did a little birthday wishes, little ephemera piece, and I added some stickers that I had in my stash, a little set of balloons, some streamers, and then a little birthday cake here. And then I have my information all typed up on the back. So that is for the first ATC card for her. And then I did a little Valentine's one. And then the stuff that I used for this one is, let's see, I used, let me find that paper pad that I was using. Let's see, I like Valentine's stuff already. So I used Sweetheart Day. And this is a Recollections pad that I picked up last year, I believe. And so I love it. It's got those little vellum sheets with so cute with the little conversation hearts. And this is a really cute pad if you don't have it. I'm not sure if they have it this year or, but I love it. These are vellum pieces in here too. Just super cute. Or I should say acetate. I'm sorry, not vellum, acetate. And I used this love sheet for the outside of the ATC card. And then I used a little die that I got from Temu. And this little die has a bear, and then it has hearts. And then these are the ear layers, and this is the belly layer. And then this is like a little key turn, kind of like a, what do you call those? This little walking out, you know, like a little walking stuffy. I didn't use those though. But this is the die that I used, and I got that from Temu. I hauled that, I don't know, maybe last month or a couple months ago. So I used that for the outside. And so the hearts are there, and then the little bear is here. I made her pink with a little pink bow. This is just a little bead from my stash. I made a little kind of snowman, so to speak, in white glitter paper, just that I had in my stash. I used these little black and white kind of checkered bows. I thought the contrast on that was cute. And so those were in my stash as well. And then I used a couple of jemmies on there. And I did use a little bit of dimension, not too bad. But she can, you know, use this this sleeve for something else if she like. And then of course it has my sticker on the back. And then on the inside, I did a little bit of dimension. I just can't help myself, guys. I just love the dimension. And so this die I got from Temu, and it's just this like set of hearts here. It looks like that. And so I just kind of cut it to where it fit the ATC card. And so I used that die. And then the Happy Valentine's Day is foam stickers, and those are from Hobby Lobby, and I just picked those up. In fact, I haven't even, let me see where those are. I haven't even hauled them yet. They're still in my bag over here. Let me show you which ones they were. Oh, right here. So yeah, these are the kind of new stickers that they have at Hobby Lobby for Valentine's Day this year, and these were $1.99 and then 40% off, which is a great price. I think I picked up like 3 of these. I plan on using these for my littles cards as well when I make those. But I used that sticker for the ATC card on the front. Then I just added some jemmies that I had in my stash, and then on the back is my information as well. So, and it's all kind of typed out. My friend Sophia at Her Yes kind of helped me do a little, I guess just a little piece of paper or cardstock that has all my information so that I can kind of keep it printed and it fits on the back of an ATC card. So, and my information just has like my name, my birthday, my address, my email, my favorite color, my which is pink, my favorite paper, which is Doodlebug, my favorite crafts to create are cards, Memduxes, 3D projects, dangles, and participate in swaps. And then of course my IG and YouTube handle is Crafty Renee Creates, and so I just have that on the back of the card. And that is it. So that is what I'm sending to Miss T Creates for her birthday challenge that she's having. Again, send your entries in by the end of January. And let's see, if you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for liking and subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate all the love and support I get. If you like the content of my videos, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I will have Miss T Creates information in my description box on this video. So thanks a lot, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.